Today we're going to be having a look at these PIFCO Pastel lights. So, besides having a look at the lights, we've got a little bit of an extra treat for you today. We have the box as well. It didn't come with the inlay card that the lights are attached to, but you know, it came with the box, which is a little bonus. This box looks like it's more from the 80s, I'd say, late 80s. Got a little Christmas tree that looks like it's in desperate need of some water because it's drooping. Box has got baubles on it, or Christmas puddings, you know, what do you think? There you go. You get the part number on there as well, or item number, 1347. Nothing on there. Same again, but upside down. On the back. Give you all of your miscellaneous information. I'll give it a little slow scroll for anybody who's interested. It's handy that it tells you exactly what bulbs to use and the actual part number. PIFCO spare lily pot lamps 242. So yeah, nothing inside. No idea what that would be, probably just a batch code. Don't think there's any information on there. If anybody knows how to decode that or knows what it is, let us know in the comments below. But yeah, interesting. Get the box with it for a change. As for the light, it was funny, I wasn't really too fussed on these at first. I never really fancied a set, but when I got my Tutti Frutti lights, they kind of grew on me. In the pictures, and when I've seen them, the shades look a lot bigger than what they are, but they're actually not that big. But there you go. There's a pastel shade, hexagon shaped. They're quite thin. They feel quite delicate. Almost like a kaleidoscope in there. Vicarages. Bayonet fit. There's no vent holes for it. The bulb holders are not how they used to be. The older ones have like a dome shaped ribbed base. These ones, they must be the later style. This must be the last of the screw-in bulbs. I know they did do these in green as well, which they introduced later on, but right, let's get them lit up. Oh, what a surprise, they don't work. I didn't do anything then, they just came on. And we got two bulbs out. And it's been a while since I had these out. None of the bulbs have been refurbished on this set. I don't know whether the bulbs had they were like saturated on these to give the pastel effect, so it was more like a lightly coloured shade, hence pastel lights. I'm not sure if they had different bulbs for this set where the colours were washed out a bit more, but that's what it seemed. But that just might be due to the refraction that the bulb colours make on the lights. Got your fuse bulb, got green, pink, blue, yellow and red. The red is very faded on this. It's not too red at the moment. Let's see if we can get a little bit of life out of these. Wow, those shades are super tight. What's going on in here? Are we arcing out inside? No? Yeah, that bulb's had it today. Same with this green one by the look of it. Yeah, they've both had it. They're both original bulbs. They've been in there for a while, but yeah, they need a little bit of love. I think these would look quite nice with just clear bulbs as well, but I definitely need to take them apart and do a refurbishment. Might get a follow-up video to these lights. But yeah, there you go. PIFCO Pastel lights. Again, these are super rare. These, when I saw them for sale, I wasn't specifically looking for them, but I saw them for sale and I thought, oh, I'll have a go with them. And I think I've only had these for about 4 years, and I paid about £17 for them, which I don't think was too bad, considering they came boxed as well. Well, in the pictures, there was no box. The box was a bonus. They came with the box when they were delivered, which was a bonus. But for £17, I'm not complaining. There's no original price on the box, which sometimes you do, but there you go. PIFCO Pastel lights. Have you got any? What do you think of them? Do you like them? Do we just put old bulbs in to replace and just keep the pastel colours, or do we give it a light refurbishment? Ha ha ha, pun. But what do you think? Do you think we should give them a little bit of a refurb and brighten them up a bit? Let us know if you've got these lights or have had these lights, and we'll catch you on the next one.